We all know who she is, right? We all know about her accomplishments. We all know what she's done for the society. We all know that even after she's long gone, she's still talked about to this till date, right? Do we identify this gentleman? None other than Nelson Mandela, right? We know what he has done for his community, what he has done not just for his community but for ethnicity and racial discrimination around the world. He is the epitome of people fighting against racial discrimination. Even after long gone, we still talk about this gentleman. Do we know this person? Do we know this person? Absolutely, he's none other than Fauja Singh. I guess he is the most inspiring person of my life. I guess I do not draw any more inspiration for any other person in this world than him. I guess I just look at him. He's an engine non-stop. He's just going on and on and on and on. Now, what is the common thing in all these people? What is that one common thing in all these people? Can somebody bring out that one common thing? They have a common thing that drives them to do what they are doing, or they to do what they used to do. One thing, and that one thing is purpose. Purpose. But this is something that I have read in various motivational books, and through experience, through observation, I've also found out that if I make 100 people stand in a line, 100 random people stand in a line, and if I ask them, what is your life purpose, most of them will go blank. Most of them will go blank. And see, that is why you need to understand that we have very few unique people of this world. There are very few people of the caliber of Mother Teresa. There are very few people of the caliber of Nelson Mandela. There are very few. How many Fauja Singhs do we know? Many, maybe a handful. Probably I can count them on my fingers. Right? Purpose. They have a crystal clear purpose in their mind, and serving people. All of them, all of these people that I've listed over here are serving people. So, a purpose of serving people, let me tell you, is it does not it there is no age bar. There is no age bar when it comes to serving people. फिर वो मोनोटनी खत्म हो जाती है जब आपका माइंड लोगों को सर्व करने के लिए बना होता है. आपका माइंड इट इज फिल्ड विद द पैशन ऑफ सर्विंग पीपल. तो मोनोटनी कहाँ से आ जाएगी? लोनलीनेस कहाँ से आ जाएगी? वो पर्पस ढूंढ लो. वो पर्पस ढूंढ लिया, जिस दिन वो पर्पस आ गया, जिस दिन वो पर्पस को आपने हाथ में पकड़ लिया, अपने दिल में बसा लिया, अपने दिमाग में बिठा लिया, उस दिन से मोनोटनी. लोनलीनेस इज अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. व्हेन योर माइंड इज नॉट ऑक्यूपाइड, दैट इज व्हेन लोनलीनेस is. When your mind is occupied with a purpose, when your mind is occupied with what you are going to do tomorrow that excites you, then how can loneliness be? This is an analogy of एक म्यान में दो तलवार. अगर आपके एक म्यान में अगर पर्पस भरा हुआ है तो लोनलीनेस घुस ही नहीं. तो क्या आज हम यहाँ बैठ के ये प्रण ले सकते हैं कि सेवा सिंह जी जैसा एक तो पर्पस हमने भी ढूंढा है. एक पर्पस हम भी ढूंढे, एक पर्पस जो हमको हमको मोटिवेट करे सुबह उठने के लिए, हमको मोटिवेट करे एक्शन लेने के लिए, हमको मोटिवेट करे हमारे घर से बाहर निकल के लोगों को इम्पैक्ट